Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick tips for your GoHighLevel pages. Let's say when we are building a two-column row where the left column we have some kind of image and the right column we have the content like our text, buttons, etc. And the same for the second column, okay, second two column row. Okay, so by default it looks good on mobile, your desktop version where it's showing the image, then the content, and image. Okay, but if we see this on mobile, then it's actually looks like this. Okay, so the content for the second block should be at the bottom of the image, right? So this is not showing by default, okay, but it looks like this by default when you're making this type of layout on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so today we are going to fix this issue and our mobile version will look like this one. Okay, let me show. You can see here now our image, then the text, and image, text, like this. Okay, so without any duplicate column or anything else, we can fix this issue with a little bit of CSS. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, let's say you designed column like this, and then your first column is fine because the left column image, it will show at the top and this will show at the bottom of this one, okay, on mobile. And then let's say for this one, okay, this column row, just select the row, okay, the two column row, select this and then go to advanced and add a little CSS selector. We call it flip column layout. Okay, just put it here and click enter, and then inside your custom CSS add this CSS. Okay, and make sure your CSS selector is exactly look like the one you added. Okay, like here we added. So now you just need to add this uh, code, okay, with the CSS selector we added, and save it and then publish. Okay, the page published. Let me preview it by clicking here, and then okay, so it looks good on desktop. And again I'm going to inspect the element and show you the mobile version. You can see here now it's not look like this, it's actually changed the layout of your mobile version. Okay, so it's super easy to use code snippet. Okay, and it's just a little bit CSS media query for your mobile version of this column. So it's really easy. Let me show you the code again if you don't get it. Okay, you can see you just write the exact same code, but if you change your CSS class, okay, here, then you need to put the same class here. Okay, that's it. And then each time you want to flip the column, okay, the layout on mobile, then just use this code snippet. Otherwise everything is good, the desktop layout will be the same as you designed. Okay, but into the mobile it will be changed like this instead of this. Okay, so you see this one is not actually looks good. Okay, because we want like this. Okay, image, content, then image, and then the content, but by default it's showing the two content just one after another. Okay, so which is not good because we want it like this. Okay, so it's easy and simple to use code snippet. You can use this. Okay, you can copy the code snippet I showed you already, but if you want to get this code snippet, you can join our GHL SaasKits community for free, and inside the learning tab just go to the GHL code snippet basic free version, you will get it there. Okay, I will add this code snippet here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.